go find out what Teddy is up to. She is hiding in the garden because she's trying to run away from Frankie Foo. Ted, what kind of adventure are you going on today, girl? Oh, a sleepy adventure. Are you gonna run? Oh, she's going on her adventure. Find out where she's going. Oh, look, I can stand on the wood all by myself. I feel like I'm in the river. Don't jump in the river. Now, where could Teddy be going? She's going to... She climbed up, and what did she do? She said, I made it all the way up to the kitty cat tree. Yay! Great adventure, Teddy. Good job. Bye, thanks for coming.